Central Texas until 1:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 12:31 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Benbrook, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Another severe storm is located near Aslet. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Fort Worth, Arlington, Grand Prairie, Mansfield, Euless, Bedford, Grapevine, Haltom City, Keller, Coppell, Hearst, Burleson, Southlake, Watauga, Colleyville, Benbrook, Saginaw, White Settlement, Crowley, and Forest Hill. For your protection, get inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. Heavy rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. A tornado watch remains in effect until 5 p.m. Central Daylight Time for North Central Texas.